Come work with me. Working 16 hours a shift. 16 hours a shift. Okay. So working 16 hours a shift and try to get everything done before my shift has ended. Since it's 7 o'clock in the morning, residence has been fed. My job duties are do some laundry, gotta cook breakfast, finish cooking breakfast, finish cook lunch, do a little light housekeeping, wash clothes already, clean up a patient, finish making the doctor appointments, put it on a book, go over the books and get all the old paperwork from March, put in new documents for April, sweep the floor, mop, dust, vacuum, ask them what they want for lunch. Majority before lunch or after lunch. It's like a very, very mellow, quiet moment. In the midst of that, me trying to get some type of energy, I don't drink coffee. I have my energy drink in the refrigerator already. I have my energy drink in the refrigerator. I don't want that just yet because I just drank a cup of ice water. So I need water. I also drank one of these. These are so good. These are so good. And I'm ready for breakfast for me. I have a breakfast sandwich, an apple, and a Pop-Tart. But I already drank up my good water already. And I'm gonna bring one. But I'm gonna just drink a lot of water. Even though I'm supposed to be eating these just early. But I need some sugar, some energy. My day varies on a day-to-day on the reason because I'm not for sure. Like some of the stuff that I already did that I'm supposed to do for the next day while I'm here, I already did it. That consists of washing everybody's clothes. Like from tomorrow, I probably have to wash. I'm already starting on it. Like if I have to get somebody a shower for tomorrow, I already did that. I gave them a shower today or last night. So I kind of get my stuff advanced with certain stuff. For lunch, so it'll be a very light breakfast. But I mean, for lunch, it's gonna be a very light lunch. So yeah, very light. Oh, for the next 2 weeks, right after lunch, dinner, and breakfast menu, kind of tweak it up a little bit, get them new different ideas. Since it's 4 weeks in April, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 weeks, yeah, about 4 weeks. Each my clients try to have a meal, what they like to have. And majority of them, they all like the same thing. So that's how I do it. Since I came in with this new position, I kind of like switch it up. Like for 1 week, it's Mary wants spaghetti. Mary has spaghetti. Tomorrow, John Doe. Probably want smothered pork chops. You know, stuff like that. But when we cook, we gotta watch if they have sugar intake and salt intake, or if they are diabetic. Sugar. But yeah. So my 16-hour shift that started last night at 7 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna try to get a sugar rush, drink another cup of water, and we'll get started maybe in 10 more minutes. Cause everybody's hurting. And it's raining too. Working 16 hours on a rainy day. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe, give a girl a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.